Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to review our quiz.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa alaikum salam. How are you, Muhammad?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Hello, Mishari. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah. How are you, Mishari?
Fine.
That's good. Okay, today we are going to revise quiz.
Teacher, the quiz of yesterday is easy.
Yeah, easy, but there are a lot of mistakes, so we will revise today.
Teacher, I have one mistake. One only.
Okay, one means one. One means there is a mistake. One means you didn't understand, so I should repeat it for you. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So read question number 1 and give me the answer.
Okay. Electricity does not travel to give conductors. Teacher, it's false. Yeah?
Okay, next.
Electricity do not travel together insulator. True.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Next.
3.
Copper is used to cover the wireless false. The copper is not for the wireless.
Very good, very good. Okay.
Plastic is an insulator false, not insulator.
Plastic
It
is
is
an
conductor.
insulator. How plastic is conductor, ya Mishari?
Yes.
Look, you told me copper is not used to cover. So plastic is used to cover the wires. So why
Yes,
plastic is used?
I am
Because it is
understand
insulator.
it now.
Yeah.
True.
So it's true. Plastic is an insulator.
When a circuit is complete, corrector will not flow.
Current will not flow.
Teacher is false.
If the circuit is complete, current will not flow. And if the circuit is complete,
teacher. How are you?
I am fine,
Teacher.
Abdulaziz. Thank you. Fahamti ya Mishari? If the
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Teacher, teacher.
yes, Abdulaziz.
I'm in the bar, you know.
Okay.
My شاحن is 1% of 100.
You can
Teacher
use Shahan, ya
Abdulaziz
Habibi.
say is
لا
the
ما في
best
شاحن.
one.
Okay, dagiga, ya Abdulaziz. Let me finish with Mishari, and I will finish with you. Mishari, look, you said when a circuit is complete, current will not flow. Yani has a circuit complete, sah? Current will not flow.
صح.
Current, yani.
No false.
It's false. Yes, current will flow. Thank you, Mishari. Abdulaziz, come forward. And Tawal Ati Jawabad.
Teacher, I can read this. There are 5 battery in
Let
the.
Abdulaziz read. Abdulaziz, come forward, ya Habibi. Baden Jawal Gafel ma bhi mushkil. If your mobile will be switched off, no problem. Abdul Aziz Al Maliki.
Yes, teacher.
أيوة. question number 8 يا عبد العزيز.
Question number 8. 1 minute. Yes. 1 minute. True.
There are 5 batteries.
Yes.
Okay, how there are 5
يا
batteries
راجل.
يا عبد العزيز? This is 1 and this is 2.
Oh no. 1.
خطأ. Mishari, don't open your mic now. Abdul Aziz, if you see this picture,
Yes.
there is one battery is this and second is this only. This is
Hey.
bulb, this is switch. These are batteries, 2 batteries only. How you can say there are 5 batteries? Khata ya Abdul Aziz. Okay, next question number 9 ya Abdul Aziz. The switch is
I'm
closed
sorry.
in the diagram. Switch yani hada. Hada closed wala open?
The switch is closed in the diagram.
هذا switch. هذا
Closed
close
or
ولا open?
open.
هذا open. من فين open هذا؟ From where it is open يا عبد العزيز؟
Look at it. يمين.
هذا open يعني من هنا open؟ كيف يا عبد العزيز؟ Wait عبد العزيز محمد. عبد العزيز أنت ما في ركز والله.
The switch is
if this is open, it will be here like this. It will be here like this. If it is open, this is open switch. ما في هذا ما في هنا موجود. هذا خلاص هذا يجي من هنا هذا open يعني مفتوح. انت ما يشوف هذا قفل. This is closed. شغل مخ يا عبد العزيز. Use your mind. هذا طريق كويس يعني قفل.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله يا سعود. Okay. محمد अजहरी आती नहीं जवाबात. Give me the answers from 1.
okay.
كلكم ركز يا حاتم يا مشاري يا لؤي عبد العزيز حاتم مؤيد صوت
Okay, teacher.
ضياء كلكم ركز. Yes محمد please.
Electricity does not travel through conductors. False.
Okay.
Number 2, electricity does not travel through insulators. That's true.
Okay.
Conductors and insulators are different.
عليكم السلام.
True.
Okay.
Okay. Number 4, copper is used to cover the wires.
Copper.
False.
False. Yes.
No, wait.
Okay. Next. 5.
Number 5, plastic is an insulator. True.
Okay.
We use different symbols to show part of circuits. Circuits. True.
True. Okay. 7.
Okay. When a circuit is complete, current will not flow. False.
False. Very good. Okay. Question number 8.
Stop here. Number 7. There are 5.
Teacher, I can.
Wait, Loy, you will answer. Please wait.
Okay. There are 5 batteries in circuits. 5.
You can see here 5 batteries.
True.
Okay. This is one battery, Muhammad, and this is second battery. Fin battery Tani. Where you find 5 batteries? You can see 5. You can see only 2. 1 and 2. This is the symbol for battery, right? هذا واحد هذا اثنين يعني 1 and 2 only. So there are 2 batteries. هذا خطأ. This is wrong. Okay? يلا question number 9.
The switch is closed in this diagram. True.
Okay.
There are 5 bulbs.
3.
3, I mean.
3 bulbs in the diagram. You can see.
Yes.
Yes, this is the symbol for bulb. 1, 2, 3. So it means this is right. Okay, Loi. Question number 4, 5, 6. يا لؤي.
هلا يعني أحل كلها أستاذ.
Question number 4, 5, 6.
من 5 إلى 6 أحل.
انت اعطيني جوابات يا حبيبي بس.
طيب
4, 5, 6.
من وين أستاذ؟ من 4 تيتشر.
4
ألو.
5 6 يا لؤي. 3 مرات انا كلام يا لؤي.
Copper is acid. Copper is used to cover the wires. False.
Okay. 5.
Plastic is an insulator. True.
Plastic is an insulator. True. Yes. Question number 6, please.
We use different sample to show parts
Of circuit.
circuit. True.
Yes, very good, Loi. Thank you. Yalla, Hatim Al-Amri. Hatim Al-Amri, are you there?
Teacher Mikan.
Wait, Saud. Hatim. Zia, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, question number 1, 2, 3.
أجاوب عليه.
Yes.
طيب. الكنترين. false.
Ikra, read. Not only false. True.
الكتريك does not travel.
Electricity.
Electricity does
Yes.
not travel
Through.
through.
Yes, come on.
أجاوب ولا إيه؟
Conductors.
Conductors. False. True. False.
Okay, then.
السؤال الثاني.
Yes.
الكتريك does not
Electricity يا زيا.
electricity
أيوة.
does not travel through insulator. True.
Okay. Question number 3.
Conductors and insulator are different
Different.
from each other.
Different, yeah, they are different.
Different.
Aywa.
True.
Okay, thank you. Saud, come forward, please.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 3, 4, 5.
3 conductors and insulators are different for
Each
other.
Yes.
True.
Okay. Next.
Copper is said to cover the worst. True, teacher.
Copper is used to cover the wires. Copper موجود جوا ولا برا السلك؟
True. False, teacher.
أيوة copper موجود جوا يا حبيبي. Okay, plastic is question number 5.
Plastic is an insulators. Insulator.
Okay.
False.
Plastic in an insulator. يا سعود انت ما في ركز يا سعود. Plastic is an insulator يعني كاربا ما في رو في البلاستيك عشان هو موجود برا السلك. That is outside of the silk. لازم ركز يا سعود حبيبي. حاتم المؤيد. حاتم المؤيد, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, question number 4, 5, 6.
Question number 5.
4, 5, 6.
قل. طيب. Copper is used to cover the walls. True.
يعني الحين انا اعطي جواب والحين انت خطا.
طيب ايش الواحد ما يخطأ.
يا حاتم الحين نعطي جواب هذا question number 4 وانت الحين كلام خطا. ايش فايده انت ما في ركز يا حاتم. question number 6 اقرا.
طيب. We use different symbols
السلام عليكم.
show parts of cards.
We use different symbols to show parts of circuits. ايوه. True or false?
I think true.
Aywa, true. Symbols are this. These are symbols. This is symbol of battery. This is symbol of bulb. This is symbol of switch. This is also battery. This is symbol of wire. So we use symbols. هذا صح. بس شوية ركز. أنت إلى بأول كلام حاتم أنت يجي على طول. أنت ما اسمع أول يعني إيش كلام أي نفر إيش كلام ثاني نفر. أنت ما فاهم. لازم ركز. كل الحصة أنت ركز. مشاري خلاص ولا باقي؟ أعطيت جواب؟
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. من باقي who didn't answer?
Yes, teacher. I am.
Yes, Mishari. Okay. Loy Saad inta you give me answer right? In internet? Give me.
هلا أستاذ هلا.
You give me the answer right?
أجي.
Okay, wait 1 minute.
سؤال كم يا أستاذ؟ ألو.
الأستاذ راح الحين بيرجع ذا.
طيب هو وش يبغى مني سؤال؟ لا أرقص كمان. بلى.
Yes, I am with you now. شوف يا حاتم والوي وكل وعبد العزيز everybody okay be with me now. I am giving you the answers now. Okay. Electricity does not travel through conductors. In conductors electricity travel. هنا مكتوب does not يعني هذا خطأ. This is wrong. Number 2, electricity does not travel through insulators. Yes, because insulators does not allow electricity to pass. Conductors and insulators are different. Aywa, they are different because conductors they allow electricity to pass through. Insulators they do not allow. Khalas? Copper is used to cover the wires? No, it's wrong because copper is conductor and it allows the electricity to pass. هذا ما في موجود. Plastic is insulator? Yes. The plastic covers the wires. We use different symbols to show parts of circuit. Yes, you can see here in this question, in this diagram, we use different symbols. Why we use these different symbols? Because they are understandable in the whole world. यानी बिन कुल्लु मकाम फिल आलम, these are understandable. When a circuit is complete, current will not flow. Yani if the circuit is complete like this, current will not flow? No, it's wrong. Current will flow. Question number 8. There are 5 batteries in this circuit. If we see, according to us, there are 1 and 2 batteries, not 5 batteries. So this is wrong. This is the sign of switch and this is bulb. Here we can see wires. So this is wrong. We have only 2 batteries. Ada khata. Okay, then this is false. Then we have the switch is closed in the diagram. If you see here, in here the switch is closed. If this is open, the open switch is like this. Let me just make it for you. This is open switch. Here you can see. If switch is like this, this is open. Understand? Fahamt? Abdulaziz? Loi? If switch is
Yes,
like
teacher.
this switch is open. This switch is closed. You can see it's complete. But this is not complete. Hada open. Hada close. Okay? Understand? So this is also,
Yes.
the switch is closed. Yes, this is right. True. Last question. There are 3 bulbs in the diagram. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 bulbs in the diagram. Ay sawal? Hatim al-Amri, if you are
Yes,
there
sir.
and not
No, teacher.
answering, ما في فايدة. انت موجود وما في رد ما في فايدة. لو انت دخل في الفصل لازم رد. مرة ثانية انت ما في رد انا سأسوي remove. I will remove you from the class. Okay? Thank you
Okay.
boys. Thanks for joining. We'll meet you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.